Hey guys, I'm making this quick video. If you want to know what is the Lenovo Vantage at the best settings you can get, so this is something that I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to help you. So the first thing is that you want to have the CPU platform short-term power limit 125W or 130W, platform long-term power limit 110W, CPU temperature limit 95, CPU long-term power limit 109W, PL1 Tau 64, CPU to GPU dynamic boost 25W, GPU CDGBP 150W, GPU temperature limit 87, and total processor power target in AC 110W. So try it out, but this is for the laptop Legion 7 wide, so this is something you have to be aware of. And I just want to make this like a quick video for you regards this, and thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.